I'm Jim Tainui, born in
Te Whaiti.
Yes, Te Whaiti, Tūhoi. But I was brought up in Te Kuiri and adopted into the Tainui whānau. And then from there I joined the New Zealand Army for 8 years, went overseas to Vietnam twice.
My name is Maryanne and Tainui. I'm born and bred in Waiuku in the Ngāti Chata area. I am of Ngāti Koroki and Ngāti Chata descent. A normal day for both of us is we actually get up between 5:30 and 6 o'clock because we have our youngest grandchild who's 10 every morning arrives at 6:30 or no 6:15 and we feed her and get her ready for school. Otherwise, if there's something on here at Aotearoa, we come here. But I must say that, you know, they did a lot as delivering groceries to us. You know, we were looked after so well. Because we weren't the only one they're delivering to, you know, they were delivering to whole lots of people and they were all gloved up and masked. So it was and they sticking to the rules, putting it on the step, you know, and you're at the door and it was just hello, how are you, good to see you, and then they're off again, you know, making sure that they keep to the rules. Also, it was good for us to see them because you're seeing someone else, you know. Someone else that you know, that's the thing, it's seeing someone you know. The thing is, he has a slight memory problem, so he was very confused as to what was going on. Even though because we'd watched the 1 o'clock every day, the news every day, he was still unaware that we weren't allowed to go anywhere. So he'd go like, can we go and visit our son today? And I said, no, we're not allowed to go anywhere. His response is, why? That's not fair, you know. I said, because that's the way it is. That's the way the government has made it, so we just have to stay home and listen. I loved the lockdown. I just loved being home. Firstly, for me, I did whakapapa. I put whakapapa onto charts. I did a lot of sewing. Our daughter put me on my phone on Messenger. So we were for the sake of our granddaughter, because she didn't like the idea of not being able to see us every day, because that was her life. 5 days a week she'd see us.
Makes these things run, seeing them like that. I mean, we don't see them all the time. We hadn't been seeing them all the time, and to see them on there, it's just makes the eyes run.
Just don't, and I mean, don't be negative because you can't do anything about it. And just hope that we don't have it again.